By now, I'm sure you've heard of the latest technology taking the fat reduction world by storm. It's called cool sculpting. And joining us now with more is Dr. Isidoros Moraitis from Moraitis Plastic Surgery to tell us all about this. Because honestly, doctor, I know that I have said this, and I'm sure people out there have said this exact thing. Come on, it's too good to be true. So is it?
Oh, it's more than true. This technology was directed at managing patients in a non-invasive, non-surgical manner, simply because we can all relate to having those areas of fat that we can't get or make smaller by virtue of diet and exercise. So this technology came about. It is the only FDA-cleared and patented technology that's able to show safety as well as efficacy, meaning it works, utilizing controlled cooling.
Okay, so let's talk about it specifically. Go into how it works, cool sculpting.
Okay, the process involves a patient coming in following an initial consultation. The patient is marked in those areas that are of concern, and then we apply an applicator, and the majority of these applicators are suction applicators, which means the applicator is applied to the area of concern. It uses suction, draws the tissue in, which means the area of fat that is of concern to the patient. We're following a good tissue draw and seal. There's a cooling cycle that starts. The cooling is selective for fat. It doesn't damage the surrounding skin or soft tissue. And it triggers the fat to die naturally, but that process won't occur immediately. It'll start about 3 to 4 days after the treatment. And this process will continue. It will become visible at about 3 to 4 weeks after the treatment and will plateau at about 3 to 4 months.
Does this hurt in any way?
The sensation is of the drawing sensation from the vacuum on the applicator, and subsequently the cold sensation. It may be a little bit intense for the first 4 to 6 minutes, but that subsides. So really this should be pain-free.
Is this like liposuction or a form of liposuction, or completely different?
Liposuction is surgery, and it is invasive. It typically will require some form of anesthesia. It involves incisions to place the instruments to remove fat. It is an operation in the sense that it requires downtime and recovery. Whereas with this procedure, it can be done in the office. You could have an area treated, say, for example, your abdomen within a few hours.
Let's look at some of the befores and afters of the abdomen as we talk about the areas that most people come and see you for. So here we're looking at this. That's pretty noticeable.
Very common area for patients to complain about, an area of the fullness in the lower abdomen. And this woman underwent treatment, and the treatment pattern is actually illustrated just below. And she's had a very nice result in her lower abdomen, where otherwise we'd be looking at doing either liposuction or maybe even a mini tummy tuck.
And this is another tummy here?
Another tummy as well. You can see before and after the amount of reduction we see in the upper and lower abdomen following her treatment.
And there we go again. Now, is this another female, or?
That's another female as well.
Can men do this?
Men absolutely can do this, and it tends to be a very commonly requested procedure by men, especially in the area of the love handles and the submental fat, the fat underneath the chin.
Oh, and then, of course, the back fat is always what you hear a lot of people complaining about.
Correct, and it is FDA cleared to treat the abdomen, the flank area, or inner and outer thighs, the fat underneath the chin, as well as the banana rolls, the bra fat, as well as the fat that develops on the inside of the knee. Okay,
and how do you know if you're a candidate real fast? Because I'm telling you, I'm looking at my neck every day on television and thinking, oh man, I need it right here.
I wish everybody was a candidate, but really I think the ideal way is being assessed by a certified practice, which we are, which means coming in for a consultation.
All right, Dr. Moraitis, thank you so much. And for more information and to schedule your complimentary cool sculpting consultation, just head to their website, MoraitisPlasticSurgery.com, or give them a call, 727-219-9168. Dr. Moraitis, thanks again.
Thank you.
Appreciate you being here.
You're welcome.
All right, Cindy, over to you.